Hey everyone, today we're here to talk about the SNEED-JET Titan, one of the most powerful and versatile inline thermal inkjet printers in our lineup. Engineered for precision, consistency, and speed, the Titan makes it easy to mark your products with professional-grade clarity across virtually any material. Whether you're printing date codes, barcodes, logos, or variable data, the Titan delivers reliable, high-resolution results every time. Powered by HP thermal inkjet technology, the Titan prints at up to 600 by 300 dpi, with line speeds reaching 70 meters per minute. It supports print heights from 1.2 to 12.7 millimeters, ideal for anything from compact labels to bold case codes. And with its built-in counters and real-time clock, you can easily mark date codes, batch numbers, and serial information automatically. No manual input required. The Titan prints on porous, semi-porous, and non-porous surfaces alike, everything from cardboard, glass, and metal to plastics, pipe, and even concrete. With options for black, white, yellow, red, blue, green, and invisible inks, you can adapt your marks to fit any product or environment. And when it's time to switch colors, you can swap cartridges in under 30 seconds, no flushing, no mess, no downtime. The Titan 7-inch touchscreen controller gives you complete control over your prints with a simple, intuitive interface. Program up to 1,000 messages and store 2,000 characters per message. Create text, logos, barcodes, QR codes, counters, or variable data in multiple languages, all from the built-in software package that comes standard with every printer. Like every SNEED-JET printer, the Titan is virtually maintenance-free. Each new cartridge is a brand new print head, so there are no pumps, valves, or costly service contracts. Just pop in a new cartridge and keep your coding precise, accurate, and fresh every time. Each ink cartridge can yield more than 18 million characters, keeping your operating costs low and your production running smoothly. No preventative maintenance, no downtime, and no hidden service fees, just dependable printing that pays for itself over time. Your Titan arrives ready to run with its touchscreen controller, product detector, mounting brackets, power supply, USB drive software, and stylus pen. Just load your ink cartridge, create your message, and start printing. It's that simple. From packaging lines in warehouses to production floors and field operations, the SNEED-JET Titan delivers professional results wherever coding counts. And like every SNEED-JET printer, it's backed by our 30-day performance guarantee, because at SNEED Coding Solutions, we keep coding simple.